Okay, hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Sudhakar's Codeverse YouTube channel. As the playlist of Python was going on, first we had studied about the printf functions, and next we had studied about the input functions. To know detail about these all, you can visit the Python playlist, and the videos are available in Sudhakar Codeverse YouTube channel. And next today, as I told earlier, we will be studying about variables and data types. First let me say about what is data types and what are variables. Variables are nothing but they are used to store a data in a Python. Okay, as I would like to say, think like it is a container where a value is stored or information is stored, or think in other way like you have one box, all the informations are stored in that box, or a CD where it is a collection of informations, or like take pen drive where all the information you will be storing and keeping it aside. Okay, in this manner the variable types works. Okay, let me show you the first syntax of the variable name now. We will be cutting this all and making a new file, varying.py. As I told earlier, the name of the file name should not contain Python or any inbuilt functions name. Okay, variable name equal to value. This is the main syntax of the variable declarations. Okay, further by examples we'll be going on understanding about it. First, we can store anything in a variable like string, data type, integer, boolean. What are these data types? I'll be further on saying, and there are some rules for naming variables, and what are those, that also I'll be saying. Okay, now first by examples let me show you how they are being stored. Like name equal to ALIC, Alisa. Okay, now age equal to 25. Okay, next is student. Okay, equal to true. I will be giving on. Now let me print this all. As I told, we can print everything. Name age is student. Okay, let me print it. To print Python, let me say Python variant.py. See, in one line we will be getting Alisa 25 true. Whatever the Alisa string value is being stored in the name variable, 25 is stored in the age variable, true is stored in the student variable. Okay, and one more thing I would like to say is Python, it is interpreter language. Interpreter is nothing but where the code is not compiled fully. Line by line the code has been compiled. Okay, even it is object oriented programming language Python. See, now first name will be compiled, next line age will be compiled, next student will be compiled. In this way the compilation process will be happening. That in C++ or C, the whole code will be compiled. If there are any error, it will be giving on, but here line by line it will be giving. Okay, some tools of naming variables I would like to say is nothing but variables names must start with letter. Okay, start with letter means as a name and underscore. Smaller case to upper case is a good practice, I would like to say, and they cannot start with a number. Okay, the variable should not start with a number, they should start with the letters or underscore. What if I start with numbers? Let me see. 4. 4 is a data type. You cannot store anything in the 4. What are data types? I will be saying one in the next video. That is only will be releasing. And variables can only contain letters, numbers, and underscores. But only with 4 number you cannot do, but with strings and 4 we can do. See, like name 4, yes, okay, and I will say Rahul. Rahul is a string, and print na4, yes. Let us see this one. If it works, plus inside a string of nas I have given the number. See, it is working. Only 4 we can't give. Okay, like this we can't give, but like that we can give. So this is one thing you should be remembering about variable naming convention. It is very much important, and the variable's name should be meaningful to read. When you read the variable's name, you will be understanding the information what it is. If you go like A, B, C, D means the program structure you will not be understanding. So I am saying the variable's name should be meaningful, and they are case sensitive. Okay, case sensitive means what? Name equal to Bob. I will be taking this. If this case sensitive is different, and this one is different. See now, print name. I will be same, and print name. These are both different. There is a difference in this. They are not same. So that's why I told you it is case sensitive. See here, name and what I told. Print name. As it is case sensitive, the both are not, they will not be printed. Okay, as the first 3 parts have been printed, but here as they are case sensitive, so they are not being printed. Okay, that only if I give like this means it is not working. Okay, that only if I change means. See, name already has been declared here, so it is not printing. I think so. Let me run above variable and see it is printing or not. See, no. Name and okay, I have not saved. See, name, the same variable if I use one more time is it will not take. So I told it is case sensitive. See now, if I say name, it is not printing. See, only Rahul and these all the stuffs what I have given Alice are 25 true. These have been printed, and what is the name? Okay, it is printing, means there is no case sensitive in this. Okay, as I have given earlier like that means it was not printing. When I give one more means it is printing. So there was some compilation mistake, it was occurring and beyond, so that was not printing, I think so. Now it's okay. If we give 2 different names and if we repeat the variable names means it is printing. Okay, sorry for earlier things whatever I have said. There was some compilation error, I think so. Okay, I had not saved the file, that's why it was not running. Okay, variables must start with a letter underscore and they cannot start with a number. Okay, and variables name can only contain letters, numbers and underscores, and they are case sensitives. Name and name, this is different and this is different, and we can repeat. a same variable name, it will be printed. It will be used to store the information. And we should avoid using keywords like if, while, for. What are those keywords? If, while, while, because these are inbuilt in the Python, where we can't use this like if, while, for. Even these are not very much pretty to use. Okay, and hence this was all about the variables. Next we will be going deeper into the data types and type conversions. Okay, thank you.